New details today about a federal court's ruling that West Virginia's transgender law violates the rights of a teen. Attorney General Patrick Morrisey told Newswatch that his office plans to appeal the ruling and is currently weighing its options.
I hope that people are going to be looking at the original law and that they're going to know that my office is going to be appealing this issue and that it's fundamentally correct what the legislature had done, which is separate sports teams on the basis of your biology at birth. That's a reasonable thing for a legislature to do. And that's not trying to target people or treat people inappropriately. That's recognizing that there is a difference between men and women.
The ruling was 2-1, saying the law violates Title IX rights. The court pointed to the fact that the girl has taken puberty blockers and has been identified as a girl since the 3rd grade. She also has a West Virginia birth certificate that identifies her as a girl, and the court pointed to that as a factor. West Virginia only recently began authorizing the change of gender markers on birth certificates. In 2022, the ACLU sued multiple state officials for not issuing 2 transgender men a new birth certificate that reflected their transition. Attorney General Patrick Morrisey represented those officials in that lawsuit and ultimately settled with the ACLU, allowing the state to begin issuing those new birth certificates to transgender persons. In the wake of the ruling on the trans athlete bill, Morrisey didn't say whether or not the state should revisit its policy on birth certificates, but did say that should be a distinction of one sex at birth.
I've always believed that there should be distinction based upon birth and based upon biology. I think those are reasonable things. So I know that there are a lot of people that properly look at that. And I think we have to make sure that there's an effort on the other side to try to blur the differences between men and women and to redefine them.